So, continuing with the rectification of errors. Rectification of error when the accounts are already prepared, trading and profit and loss account and trial balance. The errors are detected after the preparation of the trial balance, after the preparation of the final accounts, trading and profit and loss and final accounts. And a suspense account is also created. Suspense account. Earlier also I have explained you what do you mean by suspense account. Suspense account is prepared at the time of preparation of trial balance. Whenever the errors are not located, when we prepare trial balance and it does not tally, when the trial balance does not tally, so to avoid the delay in the preparation of final accounts, we we transfer the difference of trial balance in the suspense account. We transfer the difference of trial balance in the suspense account. Afterwards, when the errors are located, when the errors are detected and located, that time the amount is debited or credited to suspense account again. And when all the errors are located, when all the errors are detected and located and rectified, the suspense account automatically gets disposed. Suspense account automatically gets disposed. I hope it is clear. Suspense account is a temporary account. It is a temporary account which is opened to avoid the delay in the preparation of final accounts. It is prepared to avoid the delay in the preparation of final accounts. When the suspense account is opened, it means that all the errors which are not detected, which are not located, we do not know about them. So we transfer the difference of debit and credit. Debit and credit, whatever is the difference, that difference is transferred to the trial balance. Sorry, this suspense account. If the debit side or the credit side does not tally while preparing the trial balance, the difference is transferred to suspense account. And when the errors are detected and rectified, suspense account is debited or credited again, and thus it gets disposed when all the errors are rectified. When all the errors are rectified, the suspense account itself automatically gets closed. So, when the errors are located, and they are rectified, what are the entries which would be passed? What are the entries which will be passed when there is a suspense account? Then I will tell you what is to be done, how the entries is to be passed. Because the account which is affected will be either debited or credited. Write the rule. Write the rule, all of you, in your notebook. The following 2 points, the following 2 rules should be followed while passing rectification entries with the help of suspense account. The following 2 rules should be followed while passing rectification entries with the help of suspense account. What are the rules? Everybody will write the rule. Number 1. If the account If the rectifying account is debited, if the rectifying account is debited, if the rectifying account is debited, then the suspense account should be credited. Then the suspense account should be credited. Number two, if the account to be rectified, if the account to be rectified is credited, if the account to be rectified is credited, suspense account will be debited. Suspense account will be debited to complete the double entry. Means to say both are inversely proportional. ऐसे आप याद रख लीजिए, आप इसको ऐसे याद रख लीजिए that both are inversely proportional, and if the rectifying account is debited, the suspense account should be credited, and if the rectifying account is to be credited, the suspense account needs to be credited. Rectifying account is to be debited, then suspense account will be credited. For example, purchase, I give you an example. Purchase book was undercast by rupees 500. Purchase book was undercast by rupees 500. What does this mean? Saibdeep, purchase book was undercast by rupees 500. Ansika Arora, if purchase book is undercast by rupees 500, what is the mistake?
So it means that the rupees 500 is credited from our purchase book.
No, this is the mistake only. Purchase book was undercast by rupees 500. Purchase book means purchase account, you know, is always debited. Purchase account is always debited. Means to say it is a case of short debit. It is a case of short debit. Undercast means short. And because purchase account according to rules of debit and credit, is debited for increase, it means purchase account was debited short. Purchase account was debited short. So when we are going to rectify this, when the rectification entry will take place, the rectification will be that we will have to debit purchase account now. We will have to debit the purchase account. If you want to correct, the mistake, you have to debit purchase account by rupees 500. And if you debit 500 rupees in the rectification entry, Arjun saying, what will be the other account which will be credited? What will be the other account which will be credited, Arjun? Just now I told you. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What will be the other account which will be credited? In the rectification entry, purchase account will be debited because it was undercast or debited short. So what will be the other account? Just now I have given you the rule. Look at the top. What is
Sir,
the
yes. Sir, suspense account will be credited.
two? This is the rectification we will do to correct this mistake of purchase book was undercast by rupees 500. To correct this mistake, we will have to debit purchase account, and this is the rule. Rectified account अगर डेबिट होगा तो अदर अकाउंट सस्पेंस अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा. अगर रेक्टिफाइड
Credit, sir.
अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा, the suspense account will be debited in the rectification entry. Keep this rule in mind. The account which is to be rectified, first you have to find that particular account. Then you have to find whether it should be now debited or credited. Once this is clear to you that a particular account will be debited or credited, the other account will be reversed. If the rectified account is debited, the other account, suspense account, will be credited, and vice versa. Which means to say, if the rectified account will be credited, suspense account will be debited. Is it clear? Sahiba, is it clear? Okay. Anurag, is it clear? Okay. Second example. Second example where suspense account will be debited. Suppose entry, I give you the entry. The total of the credit of Ramesh account has been overcast by 800. Okay. or you can say the sales book. The sales book was undercast by 500 rupees. If the sales book is undercast by 500 rupees, then in the rectifying entry, sales account should be credited. This is the sales account being credited because it was undercast. We have credited 500 rupees short in sales account. Therefore, in rectification, we have to credit it again to cover the deficit amount. So while rectifying this entry, sales account is credited. Therefore, the other account, the suspense account, should be debited. Suspense account debit to sales account. The error being rectified. The error being rectified. Now, I will take another example. You can copy this. The another one is same method which I told you yesterday in the previous class. Wrong, right, and the rectified entry. Credit sales to Arun. Credit sales to Arun were the credit of his account. Credit sales to Arun were posted to the credit of his account. What is the correct journal entry? Tamanna, what is the correct journal entry? Credit sales to Arun. Anurag, what is the correct journal entry of credit sales to Arun? 7,000 rupees. The most simple journal entry it is. Ansika,
Arun's account debit to sales account.
Arun's account debit to sales account is the simplest of the entries. And you are looking here and there. Anurag, what you are going to do in the exam? Credit sales to Arun 7,000 rupees. The correct journal entry is Arun's account debit to sales account. Arun account should be debited. But here in the question it says that it was posted to the credit of his account. It was posted to the credit of his account. Means to say, Arun's account was credited wrongly. Arun's account was credited wrongly. We need to debit the account, but his account was credited. Now, in the wrong entry, Arun's account is credited by rupees 7,000. Arun's account is credited by rupees 7,000 wrongly. The correct journal entry, Ansika told, is Arun's account debit to sales account. Simple journal entry. The simple journal entry is Arun's account debit to sales account. Correct journal entry. But Arun's account is credited wrongly. Arun के अकाउंट में 7,000 रुपीज wrongly क्या हो गए? क्रेडिट. तो सुजल, इसको करेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? No, your voice is not there. Prince Rotela. What rectification should be done? Prince. Sahib Dev. Turn your camera on. Turn your camera on. Harsh Pant. Keep your camera on, otherwise I will remove you from the class. Vansika Sharma, Shruti. Arjun, what should be the rectification when the Arun's account is wrongly credited?
Sir, we will debit once again.
We will debit Arun's account once again
By 7,000.
by
7,000.
7,000 rupees. But 7,000 rupees is the amount which we are rectifying what we have made the mistake. 7,000 was credited. Now we will correct it. We will take out from there 7,000 rupees plus 7,000 rupees which we had not debited. So the total effect will be of 14,000 rupees. And because the rectified account is debited, therefore the other account is suspense account.
Suspense account will be credited.
₹14,000. Is it clear? The suspense account is credited
Yes, sir.
14,000. This is like this. This is a point, Arjun. Ansika,
Yes, sir.
try to get the point why it is 14,000, not 7,000. Okay? Our correct entry was Arun. Account debit. From this point, Arun had to reach this side, traveling 7,000 kilometer. But in place of moving this side, Arun moved that side, 7,000 kilometers. This is the mistake. 7,000 kilometer to the credit side. Now, if we want to correct the mistake, you have to travel from here to here, which is 7,000 plus 7,000 equals to
14,000.
14,000. I hope you got the point.
Yes, sir.
That is why Arun's account is debited now with 14,000 rupees. 7,000 this mistake and 7,000 to cover the actual distance. Okay? That is why the account is
Yes, sir.
doubled. Make it very, very clear in exam. It is not mentioned there. You have to use your brains, use the logic and the concept to reach conclusion. Is it clear? You can raise your hands.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more entry. Let us take goods returned to Charu. Goods returned to Charu were posted to the credit of her account. Goods returned to Charu. Goods returned to Charu were posted to the credit of her account. What is the correct journal entry? Who can tell? Goods returned to Charu. It is a case of purchase return. It is a case of purchase
Sir,
return.
purchase return account debited to Charu.
Goods returned to Charu. इसमें
चारू
जनरल एंट्री क्या है? गुड्स रिटर्न टू चारू 4,000. करेक्ट जनरल एंट्री.
चारू account debit to purchase account.
Charu's account debit to purchase return account. Is the correct journal entry. Charu account to परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट, ये करेक्ट जनरल एंट्री है. राइट? चारू अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट, बट इट इज रिटन, it is posted to the credit of her account. It is posted to the credit of her account. It means Charu's account was not debited, but it was credited. Instead of debiting Charu's account, her account was credited. So in the rectifying entry, her account should be debited again, and her account should be debited with how much amount?
8,000.
Very good. 2 this is the rectified entry. Again, same rule is followed, which is given on the top. If the rectified account is debited, suspense account should be credited. And if the rectified account is credited, suspense account should be debited. I hope the rule, the two important points where rectification of errors is done with the help of suspense account, because the errors are located after the preparation of trial balance or suspense account. Please follow these 2 points. Rectified account को आपने देखना है, and you have to see whether the particular account is being debited or credited, and vice versa for the suspense account. Again, very importantly, the rule of debit and credit should be followed, and the correct journal entry should be known. If you do not know the correct journal entry, you will not be able to find what is the mistake. In the question, the mistake is given. The error is given. You have to detect it, compare it with the correct journal entry, find out what account is to be debited and credited, and accordingly reverse the suspense account. Reverse this suspense account. This is all for today. You can practice up to question number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 20. You will be able to solve the numericals, get your work updated and checked. On 5th, you will get your notebooks back, answer sheets. Bring the double answer sheet, your name, class, roll number, subject, teacher's signature written on it, and you will get it back on Monday with the admit card ID. Every student will get a different admit card ID as told to you. Then only you will be able to give your exams. Then only you will be able to give your exams. Those who are not present or have not submitted their notebooks or answer sheets, tell them after 5th it will not be collected and not be given back. Join the classes regularly and take good care of yourself. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.